Hello everybody, welcome back into the project. In this lecture we will be working over here that the total price. We already worked on the total items. Now it's time to work here the total price, so we can display total price over here. For that we will create a function similarly like we created for total items. This is a little bit difficult job, but we can do it in PHP however. So very simply, after the total items here we'll create another function getting the total price of the items in the cart. So first of all, of course, we need to create a function and its name will be total underscore price, and inside the two curly brackets we'll write the script. So the first thing is first, which will be global. This connection which has the database connection, this variable we have made global because we can use it here now inside the function. So after that, very simply we'll say IP is equal to get IP, which is a function, and we have set that in the local variable, so we have got the IP address basically. And after that we will say select underscore price is equal to, we will write a query over here inside the two brackets, select all from cart where IP underscore address is equal to this address, this IP. So whoever will be visiting our website, we will take their IP address. So according to their IP address we can get the product IDs, and after that we can go to products folder to get the prices of those products together. So that's what we are going to do now. After this we will say we'll create another local variable called run price, which will be equal to MySQL I underscore query, and in there we will say connection, and the reference variable is this one, select price. That's done. Now the next thing is very simple, simply run a while loop. Inside the while loop we will say p underscore price. P underscore price will be equal to MySQL I underscore fetch underscore array, MySQL I fetch array run underscore price. That's it. And inside the curly brackets of while loop we'll get some data from this query. We have run the first of all we have wrote the query, we have written the query select all from the cart table where IP address is equal to this, which is coming, which we are detecting, and then we have run that query, and after that inside the while loop we are fetching the data from the table, from the column. So we need only the product ID, yes, and the while loop is running, so as many IDs are there and many product IDs are there, all of them we will get very simply. So we say pro underscore ID is equal to p underscore price, and in there we will just write inside the square brackets p underscore ID. Once again I can tell you what we have done. This is our table of cart. We have IP address there and p underscore ID, two columns. The quantity is also there, but we will be talking about this later on when we will need it, but at the moment we need the IP address and also the product ID. So we have just taken the IP address as an example, and we have run the query using this IP address field, and after that after running the query we are working with the while loop where we have used MySQL fetch array, which will bring us specific detail from the table inside any column we need. So we said we need the p underscore id from that table which we already have detected using this IP address. So now in here we will very simply say select pro underscore price, another query. Here we will run another query which will be equal to, now we are going to products table because we have the product ID over here, and similarly like that we have the product ID inside the products table as well. So we can take data from the products table using this product ID as a reference. So this at the moment this time we are making a relationship of two tables. We are taking one data from one table and as a reference going to another table and taking more data from there. So very simply we will say select all from products now this time, where product underscore ID field, we're talking about this field, or here inside the product table, this one, product underscore ID is equal to this ID which is coming, basically we have taken from the cart table, this one. That's it, very simple. Now the next thing is to run underscore price or run underscore pro underscore price, because run price is already here. So it will be MySQL is equal to query again, and connection will be there, and then simply pro underscore price is the another variable. Query has been run. Now the next thing is once again while loop. Now we are saying pro price we have p price there, so we can say pp price. Okay, pp price is equal to MySQL I underscore fetch underscore array, and that will be run underscore pro underscore price, two parentheses and inside two curly brackets. Now once again we will be taking data from this table, the products table, because there might be different more than one records, more than one products. Now you can see there are 5 products inside the table, cart table. We have also 5 products, so this is not gonna be a single thing. So we need to actually run again the while loop. Now this time we have already taken the product ID from the products table and have run that query, and in the while loop we can again fetch the data, which we have already used the MySQL fetch array. So we can again fetch the data from the products table, whatever we need. So this time we need the price, the price column over here. This we need this thing, product underscore price. We'll simply write over here product underscore price. That's it. We'll say it will be equal to pp underscore price, and inside the table we have the column name is product underscore price. That's it. So we have done this, but since we need this all of these products inside one single thing, because here you can see we have one single place for a total price. For total price we have one single place. We don't have we don't want to get like this, the 5 products price like this, 400, 500, 600 or 200 or like this. We don't need this like this. We need it in a single value. So therefore we can use an array over here, array, and the array parenthesis and then close the array parenthesis. So what we are now doing, we have simply taken all the values into one array, which we can later on access wherever we need. But if we need to take data from the array, how many values the array has, it is a different matter. But if you want to directly calculate or sum this array, we can do that very simply. How? we'll simply say values. We will create a local variable values and we'll equal it to array underscore sum. This is another function in PHP which actually sum up the values inside an array. And we have the array as product inside the product underscore price local variable. This one, this is an array. We know this may has many records, many values, and we have saved that in this local variable. Very simple. And now we have created another local variable values which is equal to array underscore sum and this one. So we say sum it, I mean calculate it. This simple variable we said calculate it using array underscore sum. So it will calculate all of it and we'll save it in this local variable. So that's it. Very simple. We will have to create a local variable total which will be equal to 0. We will give a 0 value to a total variable because if we show this variable over here, so if it does not have anything to show, then it can give us an error. Therefore we will create our price will start from 0, and after that we have all the prices inside this values local variable because we have actually calculated them. First of all we got them using this array and then we have sum of them or calculated them using this array sum. That's very simple. Now and last we will say total variable plus values. Very simple. We said the total variable will be having a 0 value, but at the end of the day or at the end of this script we say total plus this values. So if there are some products added, so all the price will be there. And then finally we can just before the function we can simply echo this total. I have this local variable total, I have echoed that, and you will see Control S to save and come back to index.php page, and the total price, after the total price here simply use PHP starting ending tag and inside that call the function which is total underscore price. Control S to save. I'm here, refresh the page and you will see 2,750. This is the total price of these 5 products. Now we can add a dollar sign as well or here. Before that just simply say in double quotes write S or here dollar sign and then dot sign to concatenate this variable with this string value. So after the Control S to save, press it, you will see dollar sign as well. So there are 5 items, total price $2,750, and the 5 products we have inside this cart table, and we have taken the price from the products table. That's very simple. This simple script getting the total price. Total price starts from 0. After that, using the IP address, we have got the we have taken the data from the cart table using the IP address which is different for every user. And after that we have run a while loop, and then in another while loop we have taken data from the products table according to our product ID, and in last we have used array to get all the data into one single variable, and then using array underscore sum variable we have calculated all of them, and finally the total we have sum. We have used the plus sign to concatenate this values to this total variable, and finally we have echoed that. So it is bringing the result in front of you, or here 2705. If we delete all of this, I mean things from the cart, we delete all of the details from the cart using the delete option. Yes, now refresh your page, you will see there will be 0 total items, 0 total price. Now we click this 900 one, I mean this is a mobile camera, this is a Samsung mobile basically. Okay, its price is $900. I will click add to cart. You can see one item and price is 900. If I click another one, $440, add to cart, two items and $1350. If I click this one, $1200, you can see $2550 in three items, and the same data will be coming into this cart table with the IP address. So our project e-commerce is going very smooth, nicely at the moment, and after this video we will work on this go to cart page. When someone clicks this, so there will be a page cart.php where we can show them the products they have added to the cart, and also if they want to update them, if they want to remove any of the products, or can add quantity to those products. So for that we are coming back in next lecture. Stay tuned.